In this video, you will learn how to get your car dealer license in New York, decide on what type of dealer license you will need, determine whether you're applying for a new vehicle dealer, a used vehicle dealer, or a wholesale vehicle dealer license, establish a business location, secure a permanent business site that meets the New York Department of Motor Vehicle or DMV requirements, including your signature, display area or office space, obtain a sales tax ID number, register with the New York State Department of Taxation and Finance to receive a sales tax certificate of authority, complete the dealership application, fill out the official, original facility application or VS1, then complete the required documentation such as proof of ownership or lease, photos of your location, then zoning approval, submit fingerprint and background check. All applicants must complete a background check and submit fingerprints to the DMV approved vendor. Pay fees and wait for approval. Submit your completed application with the required fees to New York DMV, then wait for approval before selling any vehicles. Now you know. Now you know how to get your dealer license in New York. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.